గ్రూప్ 1 అభ్యర్థి ప్రదీప్ గారు వారి ఆవేదనను కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రభుత్వం చేసిన కుట్రలను వివరించాల్సిందిగా వారిని వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం.
Hello everyone, in Pradeep. I just want to start with a quote. The silence of the good people is more harmful to the society than the violence of the bad people. So presently, whatever that is happening in our society, what is happening in the state government, it is completely because of the present ruling government, Congress government. When it comes, though Telangana has been formed with a major action, Neelu, Nidulu, Niyamakalu. But we have received Neelu, we have received Nidulu, but what about the Niyamakalu? Group 1, when I am a Group 1 aspirant, I have seen, I have written exams, I have been into this preparation for 3 long years. I have only prepared for Group 1 and I have not appeared for any other exams. Here, after writing exams, what has happened? See, there is like from starting, from the notification itself, like they have earlier there were 501 posts, now it was 563 posts, and after for that 63, though they are additional 63 posts, what has government did here? They have added, recently passed outs and that is thing. After results, like whatever they have announced, whatever they have been, whatever promises they have given, none of the promises were fulfilled. When it comes, like, can the present ruling government tell us about how did 10 extra members came into that list, final list? Can you give us the details of the 10 extra members? Can you tell us about how did you have told us like there is no reservation for 5%, and how did the final reservation come? Can you tell us about, explain clear cut about that evaluation process? Can you tell us like how a private faculty has been into this evaluation process? Can you tell us in this? Thank you for giving this opportunity.
ధన్యవాదాలు అన్నగారు. ఇప్పుడు మనందరినీ ఉర్రు తొలగించడానికి ఈ సమావేశంలో ఒక ఉత్తేజాన్ని నింపడానికి ఒక అద్భుతమైన పాటతో మన మధ్యలో సందీప్ అన్నగారు మన మధ్యకు వస్తారు.